Sweet lady gave me these pineapple plants, very large. I'm going to be cleaning these up. Her name is Kima. Thank you, Kima. And I'm going to be spraying them real good, and then I'm going to pot them in a big pot. Put some of mine in with it, with some Miracle-Gro, and I'll show you as I progress with these. I cleaned these pineapple plants all up, cut off some of the dead leaves, and I put 2 big ones in here and 1 smaller one in this pot. And in this one here I put 1 big one and 2 small ones in this pot. It's been about 8 months later and they've gotten pretty tall. These are all the pineapple plants I put in this pot. And in this pot I put some in here. This one's gotten pretty tall too. No pineapples yet. I don't know if it got shocked or from repotting and everything, but I'll let you know when it gets some. And then I have 2 here. These ones are about 2 years old. These ones I planted a couple years ago. And with watering, you don't want to water too much. You want it to dry out between waterings. Just spray the leaves with some water, give it some moisture, and it loves plenty of sun. And like I said before, I'll keep you updated on the pineapples when they start. And I want to thank you so much for watching. And if you have any comments or questions, put them in the comment section below. Bye-bye for now.